So guys, it's time to open the second box, to open a premium for the month of April. I have not opened it, as you see, so we're gonna open this together and we're gonna be doing this unboxing together. So I don't know what I have in this box. Since I already opened base, I already know the theme, and as you know, the theme is Spring Revival, Boxing Spring Revival, and I don't know what to think about this one so far. I have not opened it yet, but my base box was much heavier than this one. This one feels a little lighter, so I don't know if I'm gonna be disappointed, to be honest, already. I don't know what to think. I don't know, but we don't know what's inside, so let's go ahead and open it together. So let's go ahead, guys, and open the premium box already for spring. I don't know what to think, because I don't know, I was just surprised that the base box was a lot heavier. Usually it's not, and that was a good thing, because I did like that's a little spoiler. You guys need to see the base box unboxing if you haven't seen it yet, but I'm not gonna look inside. I'm gonna take out the paper just to make sure that it is the same theme, and it is. I'm not gonna look there either. I'm just gonna grab at one product. Okay, I guess this product was on the top. And what is this? Oh, I really wanted this. Ooh, so far not bad, not bad. So I wanted this because I've been looking for something to treat my brows, and that's exactly what I want. I have tried, I purchased products to do the brow kit, you know, the technique with the gel or using soap or different products now that brands are doing, but it doesn't work. So this is Iconic London, and this is a brow silk. This one retails for $25. So that's why maybe this one is going to work, because it has wax and the gels and the soap all, I guess, in one. And I did not care it was $25. I'm like, wow, if I see that in the shop, I might buy it, because I need something like this. So let's see what's in here. I guess that's it. I guess that was just to hold the box. So look at this cute brush. It's pretty thin, so I like that. Be original, be iconic. Oh, this is so cute. And in here it has the formula, the magic to make those brows brush up, so then you could just fill them in and it's gonna look so much better. I tried this with so many things and it's just so much harder, it takes so much longer. So guys, if this works, I'm so excited, because I was thinking of getting it, so I'm glad it's in this box. But this one retails, like I said, for $25. Okay, so let's take out the paper. I don't know if I want to look. Okay, I got something. Natasha Denona. We are getting Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, and the shades I have is cream blush and a highlighter. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this, guys. I'm glad I got this. The one I got, remember the first premium box ever came out, we had a palette like this, a blush palette from Natasha Denona. It fell, and one of them is like all messy, so this one will be nice to take with me. Look at this. This is going in my purse. Yes, it is. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, this box is not disappointing me at all, and we only have two products: Cupid Cheek Duo cream blush and highlighter. Yes. Oh, let me see how much is this right here. So the Natasha Denona, this one, guys, retails, oh, this is $42, but it says Boxy exclusive, so maybe the shades here are exclusive to Boxycharm. Not the shades, is the name. It's called Cupid Cheek Duo, so this one is exclusive. Whoa, they're making this month really good. Here we have a Boxy exclusive with Natasha Denona, and now it's for the face, which is your blush and your highlighter in one. So I like that. So let's see what else it's in here. I'm just touching paper now. Okay, I have a thing. Mitchell and Peach body oil. Of course, we always get stuff like this in the premium box. I don't know what to tell you, so I'm gonna read it. And English, Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. It says blended with almond oil. It got me right there. And vitamin E. This decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. It's $68. Almond oil is something that I used to buy just on its own, and it was so good for my skin. It was one of those DIY things to kind of improve my skincare, and it did work. So I know that is really good for the skin. So now I'm getting it for the body. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm liking this. Oh, it smells really soft, really nice. I like it. I did not get, so I bought this Honeymoon Glow Body. It has AHA and BHA 12%. So I'm starting to also take care of my body's skincare as well, not just my face. And now that body oil is going to really help hydrate my skin, and I love that it has almond oil. With that, it got me, and it smells really, really nice. Look at the packaging. I'm not mad that I got this in the box, because this is something that I'm going towards, and not needing to buy it and it comes in the box, then it's a bonus for me. Okay, oh my god, these things are super small. So we have my beauty brand by me black liquid eyeliner. This one, oh my god, this is $20. So let me look at it, because this is gonna help, I guess, for the wing eye look, and that's something that maybe I want to try. That is interesting. This is a different type of eyeliner. I guess it's gonna work great for that. I should give it a try. So when I try to create that look, then I'm gonna think of this mask or this eyeliner. Okay, and Dota Hydrating Lip Balm. This one retails for $25. This is gonna protect your pout with a natural organic lip balm. Ooh, it's organic. It's packed with super hydrating ingredients. Okay, so it has cocoa butter. It has calendula. I love that. I had that in a sleeping mask one time, and I love how it smells. It's so hydrating, and it helps with redness too. So I'm glad that it has that. It also has vitamin E. It has also a cooling peppermint oil that's going to provide a hint of freshness. So it sounds pretty good. This is something that I do apply at night. I always try to apply some type of lip scrub with a balm or a mask, and then in the morning I try to apply something else too, to try to treat my lips. So I do have a little routine on that, and I'm just going to test this out. It says it's organic, and it has some great ingredients there. It does have that peppermint scent. It's interesting. This is cute, and this is something that I already do in my routine, and to be honest, mine is already running out, so I don't need to buy it now. It's in the box. This one retails for $25. And the last thing here is Dr. Brandt. This is eye cream, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. So it's gonna tackle that. This one retails for $82. This one is, like I said, an eye cream, and it's going to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So $82. We have to see if this is good. I'm actually using the one that I got last month from Ren Skincare. This one I just have to test it out and see, and I'm gonna give it to my husband for him to try it out as well, to see if this one is worth it. So guys, this is you know my thoughts at first, what I was thinking, because it was super light, but I think it's a good box. It's a good variation. The oil I'm excited about. I'm also excited about the brow silk. That's something that I'm like, if I don't get it, when I saw the spoiler, I'm like, I'm going to buy that. And then Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, and that's a Boxy exclusive. That's really making this box really, really good. And the lip balm, the lip balm is organic, but it also has vitamin E in it. I'm liking that, because that's something I'm already doing in my skincare routine, and I was running out of that. So it's like I went shopping without even knowing that there's stuff that I needed, and it came just in time. So yeah, this box, guys, it is really good. Just take out the eyeliner, which is fine because it's just like $20. I think it really makes this box really, really, really good. So I really like this variation. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be putting the number that I got for this variation, and also include the value of this box. So we did it, guys. We did the unboxing. We did it together, and I'm excited for April. I think it's a really good box, and I hope that all the variations are exactly to your liking, to the one that you receive. So thank you guys for spending some time with me. If you guys want to see May's spoilers, I don't have any May spoilers yet, but as you know, as soon as I get it, I'm going to be creating a video. You don't want to miss out on that and know what's going to be even the choice item. Then subscribe to my channel so you are up to date. So thank you guys again for spending some time with me and opening this box together, and until the next video, bye.